어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going은 언제나 너에게 going.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hasban Wijan Pratama. I'm from class A Information System. This is a practicum deep learning and STEM. At the beginning of the research event, the Google Drive Mount process was performed in Google Colab using the command drive mount. It is allow the dataset stored in the Google Drive to be access detected by the notebook during the model training. Once accepted, Colab confirmed that the drive has been successfully connected, enabling a file to be accessible a specific part such as content drive, my drive dataset with GSP. In this train, the file part is also set as well as option installed command for libraries such as pandas, TensorFlow, and CF is fixed. This is import. Next, the import the dataset is loaded from Google Drive using pandas and followed by text cleaning processing to remove class elements such as username, URL, hashtag, symbol, and special character. The purpose of the cleaning is to ensure that the text becomes cleaner and sits as input for the model. The sentiment label are the mapping for text from negative, neutral, positive to numeric value 0, 1, and 2 so that can be processed by deep learning model. After cleaning and labeling, the dataset is parted into feature X and label Y, and simple cleaning data is displayed to verify that processing has been executed correct. The step in before moving into tokenization and training plus an LSTM model. Next, a class is a crowded part of the data processing NLP for deep learning. The process includes tokenization, where the text is converted into a sequence of numeric indices, the fake vocable 6, which unlock word assigned a special token. That's all. Sequence are standardized to the name lex, using the pandas to ensure company with the model input. Finally, sentiment label are converted into encoding, and the data set is split into training to testing tests to ensure proper learning and evaluation of the model. Next, follow step focus on preparing for the implementation of the PRINet for embedding known as GLOVE. After tokenize the model and provide under semantic meaning, and GLOVE provided numeric factor resolution for word computing cinematic and contextual relationship in natural language. As a model just to the next to let word replacing from leading to testing training and improved actually expanding within the dataset in limited. Next step involve preparing the embedding metric, which becomes an ascending input for the STM model. This metric is populated by matching with word in your dataset, which is preferred during GLOVE picture. Ensure that most for now has the training relationship ready to execute model performance. Next, the sequence step demonstrates the content and configuration as cross-sequential model using request natural network with a long short-term memory for classified text. This is one embedding layer, step and drop layer, dense layer, and model comparative. Next, the two model implementation differ distinctly in the embedding layer and training period context. model figure use standard crash enable layer initial Raymond. Embedding for frozen allow the model of primate high quality like without learning embedding form defect. Model training, computant classway, and training the model. In summary, this implementation demonstrates text classification using an model with transfer learning. Okay, this is accuracy or accuracy and 64%. The final step in model testing on new data inference after training and evaluation. The model in use to predict the sentiment of entirely new text using model predict the new text undergoes processing, cleaning, tokenization, and padding, and the model outputs predicts problematic that are then converted to into reading sentiment label, negative, positive, neutral. The result demonstrate the model success predict sentiment alike with content of the input sentence. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.